Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets. First we are using the color of black. Kids, now we draw the alphabet of A. Subscribe to our channel. First we draw the alphabet of A. A for apple, A for ant. Kids, the next one is B. B for ball, B for bat. Now we draw the alphabet of C. C for cow, C for cat. C for cow, C for cat. The next one is D. D for dog, D for dog. The next one is E. And the next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. The next one is G. G for God. Kids, now we draw the alphabet of H. H for hand. Subscribe to our channel. H for hand, and then the next one is I. I for ice, I for ice cream. J for jackfruit, and the next one is K. K for kite. The next one is L. Now we draw M. Now we draw N. N for nose, N for nest. O for orange. The next one is P. Now we draw the alphabet of Q. The next one is R. R for rose, R for rice. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is S. T. Now we draw U. The next one is V. V for van. Now we draw W. W for wolf. The next one is X. X for Xmas tree. Y for yolk. And the last one is Z. Z for zoo. Z for zebra. So kids, now we draw and coloring 2D shapes. First we draw the shape of right triangle. Kids, subscribe to our channel. The shape of right triangle. The next one is triangle. Now we draw the shape of triangle. The next one is pie. The next one is heart. Now we draw the shape of heart. Kids, the next one is arrow. Now we draw the shape of arrow. And the next one is star. The shape of star. Now we coloring 2D shapes. First we are using the color of black. Kids, subscribe to our channel. Now we are using the color of black. And now we coloring the shape of right triangle. Now we mixing and using the color of black. Kids, the next one is triangle. Now we are using the color of green. So now we are using green color. Subscribe to our channel. Now we're mixing and using the color of green. Now we're coloring the shape of triangle. The next one is pie. Now we're using the color of yellow. Now we're mixing and using yellow color. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, subscribe to our channel. Now we're coloring the shape of pie. The next one is heart. The shape of heart. Now we are using the color of red. Subscribe to our channel. Now we are using the color of red. Kids, now we're coloring the shape of heart, and the next one is arrow. The shape of arrow. We are again using red color. Now we're using the color of red. Subscribe to our channel. The shape of arrow. Now we're coloring triangle. The shape of triangle. Kids, the last one is star. Now we're coloring the shape of star. So now we're mixing and using the color of blue. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, now we're mixing and using blue color. The shape of star. Today we draw 2D shapes. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.